They say that once you turn 70, your body gives up. Muscles fade, balance weakens, and strength slowly disappears. But deep in the mountains of Japan, researchers discovered something that proved this wrong: a rare protein hidden inside tiny seeds. What began as an old village myth shocked scientists when tested. These seeds helped older adults rebuild muscle up to 21 times more effectively than eggs. Seniors in their 70s and 80s saw stronger legs, better grip, more energy, and improved balance. And surprisingly, many nutrition companies didn't want this information to spread because it threatens a multi-billion-dollar industry. In this video, we reveal 6 powerful seeds that help seniors build muscle faster than eggs, including number 3, known by researchers as nature's creatine for its ability to reactivate sleeping muscle cells by 43. Before we start, here's a question: if you could feel stronger, steadier, and more energetic tomorrow, would you take that chance? Tell us below. We read every comment. Let's begin with number 6, a seed once used by ancient Japanese warriors, now proven to support muscle strength in seniors. 6. Sunflower seeds. Most people think sunflower seeds are just a simple snack. But research from the University of Illinois shows they contain 21 grams of complete protein per 100 grams, making them one of the richest plant protein sources available. What sets sunflower seeds apart for seniors is their exceptionally high vitamin E, a nutrient that protects aging muscle cells from oxidative stress. They also supply all 9 essential amino acids and are especially rich in arginine, which supports healthy blood flow, crucial for repairing older muscles. 1 study found that seniors eating 30 grams of sunflower seeds daily saw a 15% increase in grip strength within 8 weeks, a major indicator of longevity. Soaking the seeds overnight improves absorption, and combining them with vitamin C-rich foods boosts protein utilization by up to 25%. Eating them within 30 minutes after any light activity in walking helps trigger muscle building for hours. 5. Sesame seeds often seen on burger buns. Sesame seeds are actually one of the most underrated muscle foods for seniors. Containing 18 grams of quality protein per 100 grams, plus a compound called sesame that increases muscle protein synthesis by 31% in older adults. Sesame seeds are packed with methionine, a crucial amino acid that becomes even more important with age, often surpassing the levels found in eggs. Studies from Japan reveal that eating just 2 tablespoons of tahini ground sesame paste for 6 weeks raised testosterone in senior men by 18% and cut muscle soreness by 40%. Lightly toasting sesame seeds helps break their outer layer, improving digestion by up to 45%. Their high calcium, magnesium, and iron content further supports muscle contraction and recovery. Eating them in the evening may improve sleep quality, which enhances overnight muscle repair. 4. Flax seeds. Ground flax seeds offer 18 grams of protein per 100 g, but their real strength comes from their omega-3 fatty acids. Research from the University of Toronto found that flax seeds reduce muscle inflammation by 52% while increasing protein synthesis by 27% in seniors. Flax also provides powerful lignans, 800 times more than other foods, which improve insulin sensitivity by up to 35%, helping muscles absorb nutrients more efficiently. A major study showed seniors who consumed 2 tablespoons of ground flax daily gained 1.5 lbs of muscle and lost over 2 pounds of fat in just 12 weeks without changing their exercise routine. Always use ground flax seeds. Whole seeds pass through undigested. Mixing flax with yogurt or kefir can increase protein absorption by up to 40%. 3. Pumpkin seeds. Pumpkin seeds contain a massive 30 grams of protein per 100 grams, plus high levels of zinc and magnesium, to minerals many seniors lack, but are vital for muscle repair and strength. Their unique protein, cucurbitine, has strong anti-inflammatory effects that help reduce post-exercise soreness by 45% in older adults. Pumpkin seeds provide all essential amino acids in near-perfect ratios for muscle rebuilding. Their tryptophan content also supports deeper sleep, which accelerates nighttime muscle recovery. In one study, seniors eating 40 grams of pumpkin seeds daily gained 60% more lean muscle than those eating the same amount of protein from eggs. Soaking and lightly roasting the seeds improves digestion and preserves heat-sensitive nutrients. 2. Hemp seeds. Hemp seeds deliver 31 grams of highly digestible complete protein per 100 grams. Their digestibility rate 94% makes them easier for seniors' digestive systems than eggs. Meat, or whey protein. Hemp contains edestin, a rare protein very similar to human plasma, which means the body absorbs and uses it extremely efficiently. They also offer a perfect 3:1 omega-6 to omega-3 ratio, reducing systemic inflammation by 58% and improving recovery speed by 35%. Rich in leucine and other betas, hemp seeds help activate the muscle-building switch that becomes less responsive with age. Just 3-4 tablespoons sprinkled throughout the day can keep your muscles in an anabolic building state. 1. Chia seed. Chia seeds contain 17 grams of complete protein per 100 grams, but their most powerful feature is their ability to absorb 12 times their weight in water, forming a gel that releases protein slowly over several hours. Stanford researchers found that chia protein becomes more absorbable with age, rising from 76% in younger adults to 95% in seniors. This is extremely rare and makes chia one of the best muscle support seeds for people over 70. Their high leucine content rivals whey protein, but is far gentler on digestion. The hydration effect increases muscle cell volume by up to 20%, triggering muscle repair pathways. In a 12-week study, seniors eating just 2 tablespoons of chia daily gained 2.8 pounds of lean muscle, increased walking speed by 23%, and improved grip strength by 31%. Overnight, chia pudding is one of the best ways to benefit from their slow-release protein. These 6 seeds offer a natural, science-backed way for seniors to rebuild muscle, improve balance, increase energy, and stay independent longer. Even adding 1 or 2 of them consistently can create noticeable improvements. If this opened your eyes to what's possible after 70, make sure to subscribe for more senior health-focused, research-supported nutrition tips.